So in this video, we're going to show you how to fit the height reduction kit. So when it comes to fitting the height reduction kit, you're going to need your spanner, your Allen key, and also your Phillips head screwdriver or your electronic screw gun. So when it comes to fitting the height reduction kit, what we do need to do is remove all the casters. So what we're going to do now is just remove the two casters at the back. Once we've got the back casters removed, then what we can do is remove the casters at the front. Now once we remove the front casters, then we get our height reduction kit, and these are designed to go in place where the casters were removed at the rear of the chair. And here we have it, the Configura with the 1-inch height reduction kit fitted. So this lowers the height of the chair by 18 mil so that you can reduce the height for those clients who need that height reduction.